Yo, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're looking for something interesting to do this weekend with your friends, something instead of the pool hall, you don't want to do the bowling alley, this is something you have to check out. It is axe throwing. So I took the team out and we had an amazing time throwing axes at a target. Just like darts, except you're using axes. You should definitely see if it's available somewhere in your area and go out for a night of axe throwing. Let's check out the footage.
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world gone bad. State of affairs. Half the people dying while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world.
Looking like well from the 50, I might surface. Political can be purchased.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.